So you want to update Minecraft Bedrock for PC? First thing first, Minecraft Bedrock on PC should update automatically when you open it. It's supposed to always be on the most recent version that Minecraft Bedrock has to offer. How can you be sure that Minecraft Bedrock is updated though? Well, you can see the version in the bottom left of the Minecraft main menu. This can be a good way to double check the version of Minecraft you are using. If Minecraft Bedrock isn't updated, we can move to the next step. First, make sure that you are connected to the internet. You will need that internet connection to update. After that, open up Microsoft Store like this and check that you have the latest version of Minecraft Launcher. The last way to update Minecraft Bedrock Edition on PC is to use the Xbox app. If you don't have the Xbox app, this won't be how you update the Bedrock version of Minecraft. If you do have it, open it up. Then, in the Xbox app, click on Minecraft in the right hand sidebar. You might have Minecraft and the Minecraft Launcher. You will need to do the next step for both of them. Select Minecraft and click the three dots on the page that open up. On the page that opens, click Manage and select Check for Updates. If an update is available, Minecraft Bedrock will now update. You might also need to verify and repair your files. This can be done from the Manage screen as well. So, if this video was useful for you, please consider to subscribe, like, comment, share, and see you next time. Easy way.